and she's not moving. Hi, Noah. And this is literally her leg, so I don't really understand like what's happening here. Hi. Hello. Okay, so first things first, this is a dog, and that is her leg. I don't know, this is just how she is. But anyways, so in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make my classic vegan banana bread recipe. I developed this recipe when I was living in Boston over last summer. And honestly, I made this like once a week, every week. And I would eat it after I went running in the morning for breakfast, and then I would eat it as a snack for lunch, and then I'd eat it for dessert. It was just like my favorite thing. So yeah, I love this recipe. I hope you guys do as well. And let's go make it. And she's up! Alright, so the first thing that we are going to do is obviously peel our 3 ripe bananas and then mash these in a bowl with a fork. These bananas were kind of ripe. Usually I like to have mine being brown and spotty. It just has more sugar in them then. But this works too. So then you want to go ahead and take a fork and just mash this until it's nice and soft. Alright, so once you have those bananas nice and mashed, we're going to be adding our vegetable or canola oil. You can also use coconut oil if you have that on hand. And then our non-dairy milk. And giving that a nice little stir. And then next we're going to be using some apple cider vinegar, and I'm just going to put a tablespoon of this into the batter. Along with some baking powder. And then next we're going to add our 2 kinds of sugar, so some plain white sugar and then some dark brown sugar. Alright, and then finally we can add our white flour to this mixture. And then, of course, the very best part, the chocolate chips and the walnuts. And now our batter is ready to be put into a parchment lined or an oil lined baking tin. So if you're going to use a glass tin, know that it's probably going to take a little bit longer to bake all the way through versus if you're using a aluminum or metal tin like I am here. And then I also like to sometimes take my scissors and cut away some of that excess parchment paper that overlays the sides, just so it doesn't burn or catch or anything like that. It makes it a little bit easier. And there you have it, your easy, classic vegan banana bread. This is super yummy and just such a versatile recipe. Honestly, you can eat it whenever you want. It's so good and really not too hard to whip up. So yeah, I hope you guys like the recipe.